Hey fabulous fifth graders, this is Miss Barsotti. Today I would like to show you how to be successful in a virtual classroom. The most important thing is come prepared. Don't forget to charge your iPad every night. Please log in 5 minutes early and make sure your camera is turned on but your voice is muted. Find a good place. You need to have a place that is quiet. Make sure you have all your school supplies ready for today's lesson. Make sure that we can see your lovely face in the camera. During the lesson, please participate. When other people are speaking, please mute yourself. When it is your turn to speak, speak loudly and clearly. When we call on you, be prepared with your great answers. During virtual learning, be respectful. Listen to your classmates. Make sure that you are muted when others are talking. It is also important to actively listen during your lesson. Ask yourself questions such as, does this make sense? What do I understand? What do I not understand? And it's a great idea to take some notes. When your live lesson is done, it is time for your asynchronous learning. You will need to find a place to make your study area. You will be working on the assignments that your teacher has given you. Please make sure to always check your Google Classroom every morning and afternoon for the day's assignments. Also, understand how to submit your work so your teacher may grade it.